Hi, it's my favorite time of day, the time of day when I get to read a good story to you. Today we have a really funny story called Horse Meets Dog, and it's by Elliott Kalen and Tim Miller. Elliott Kalen is actually a stand-up comedian, and he writes for comedy TV shows. He also writes comic books. And Tim Miller always liked art. He went to college and studied art and was an art teacher for a while. I think you're really going to like this one. Wow, you're very big. You are mistaken. I am not big. I am normal sized. In fact, I was just about to tell you that you are very small. Is your smallness because you are just a tiny baby? Aw, look at this little cutie tiny baby. Does tiny baby need a bottle of hay? Blah. Hey, I'm not small, and you have weird feet. Where are your paws? Did you lose them? My feet are not weird. Your hair is weird. Why don't you take better care of your mane? It only takes a few hours a day. Also, your tail sticks up. It should hang down like a gorgeous hair waterfall. Now they're both thinking. Nah. I'm sorry we got off on the wrong paw, big pal. I got you a present. I got you a present too, tiny baby. Open mine first. It's a saddle in case a tiny person wants to ride you. Will you try on your new saddle, or would you rather be rude? Now what happens? Someone sits on you and you take them wherever they want to go. Fun. That doesn't sound like fun to me. Oh, but it is so much fun. And then you get to eat oats. Woohoo, oats. He likes his oats. If you want to see real fun, just open your box. Happy birthday. I also decided it's your birthday. It's a ball. Go get it, big pal. Excuse me? You threw it. You go get it. No, this is how it works. You go get it, then I throw it again, and then you go get it again. This is my favorite game, for obvious reasons. I don't like this present. You don't like it? What kind of horse are you? What kind of dog are you? That says gasp, and you say it like this. We're not dogs, we're horses. We're not horses, we're dogs. If we are dogs, why do we whinny like horses? Nay, 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 nay. You get the idea. We don't whinny, we bark and make dog sounds like dogs make. Bark, 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 arf, 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 bow, wow, wow, and so forth. Are you sick, tiny baby horse? Because something is seriously wrong with your whinny. I'm not a tiny baby horse. You're a very big dog. I'm not a very big dog. You're a tiny baby horse. Tiny baby horse. Very big dog. Tiny baby horse. Very big dog. Hello. Hi. You are two weird-looking birds. And that's the end. Wasn't that a funny book? What do you think the central message of that book is? Olivia, what do you think? I would agree. I think the message the author wants us to get is that we don't all have to be the same, and it's silly to even think we are all the same. We should appreciate our differences. I hope you liked this book, and I will see you next time. Bye, Aria.